Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. The XRP chart has given us some evidence, obviously, that a substantial low formed on the 7th of April. That remains my thesis, has remained my thesis for the last few days, weeks even. Yeah, so I've been highlighting here that the good news is likely, despite the messiness of the structure. The good news is that we have likely bottomed on the 7th of April, which became evident due to the 5-wave move up that formed from that swing low. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, Wave 4, Wave 5. And then obviously we've got this 3-wave corrective pullback labeled A, B, C. And that C wave itself is a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which could get one more low. I will not rule that out, but it's labeled as alternative on the chart. Why is it labeled as alternative? Because the price reacted really where it needed to. The price reacted to the 50% retracement level on the 5th of June. I think it's just important for anybody watching, if the price breaks below our upper micro support, then this wave 2 main support will be relevant again. So why will it be relevant again? Because I can see technically the rally that started on the 30th of May as a so-called flat correction, A, B, C. Now I have to say, this is really a little bit high for a fourth wave, but it can be interpreted as a corrective structure due to this move down, which can be interpreted as an overshooting B wave to the downside. You know these structures if you watch the tutorials on this channel. It's a so-called flat correction, and that is just something I cannot ignore. Either way, we also need a short-term bearish, at least alternative scenario, so that we, can prepare for, I don't want to say the worst, but, it's important to have a good idea of what does it mean if the upper micro support breaks, and it would likely send us back to the lower support area, our main support, which is still relevant for the larger degree pattern. And in this case, we might test $1.95 or $1.79. But at the moment, in the very short term, we are even holding here the upper micro support area, which is between $2.11 and $2.22. So we have from the low on the 5th of June another micro 5-wave move to the upside. And we could be dealing with a wave 2 pullback now. So 5 waves up, 3 waves down. And we might start that at any point. I mean, I have a 5-wave move up now. That means that the market also has confirmed further, that wasn't confirmed yesterday, but it's confirmed further that this low from the 5th of June could have been a meaningful one. So the bottom line is, as long as we are now holding the $2.11 level, the pressure is up. Yeah, so we might see a bit of a test of this support area between $2.11 and $2.22. If we do, then we can watch for a reaction to one of these Fibonacci levels. That's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.